Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install TubiTV on your Firestick and break down exactly why this free app is worth adding to your streaming lineup. So let's dive in. On your home screen, move across to find and drop down to the search bar. Here we'll type in TubiTV or just TubiTV. There it is. Click again. And click one more time to start the download. Okay, we can open the app. And just accept all. Okay, so Tubi is 100% free and legal. It gives you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, and even live news channels, all without a subscription or sign in. It's ad supported, so you might see a few commercials, but you will never have to pay a penny. If we just move across to categories, then you can see a wide range of content for your viewing pleasure. Okay, if you found that helpful, then please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.